day 2. Managed to get a good bit done yesterday. Got all of our first ring round. We are missing the really long screws that screw them logs down to the base, but we'll come across them hopefully soon. It's absolutely freezing today. As you can see, there's a lot of ice on the ground, but it is due to be a very sunny day. So look forward to the sun actually making its way around to us, but that ain't going to be till probably 1 o'clock. So as it's freezing, my jacket's on full and I'm going to keep moving. We've made some progress. We've got some of the logs up and we're about to start throwing it up, to be honest, because once we've done the foundation, everything else just goes up really fast. Now, what you've just seen me do there with that, I call it a joining plate. It basically, they don't make logs any longer than 6 metres. 1 for transport and 2 because, you know, it's just more economical, I suppose, at their end. So that clip will stop the logs from twisting apart, and it also stops any pulling forces from separating the wall logs as it goes up. And I have seen it before where somebody hasn't used them and I've had to go and take the entire building down at the customer's cost, and they've had to be supplied with a new one. So they are imperative that you put them in your building. So let's continue this build and I'll speak to you very soon. We've reached our cutout pieces for our windows. Obviously not the doors, because the doors are all the way down to the ground. But it's a significant point for me because it means that everything gets smaller, which is so much nicer because it makes things lighter. Now, I predict we're probably going to get just under apex height today, which is going to be a good hit, to be honest. Obviously, we're filming as well, so it slows things down a bit, but how can I put out educational content to you if I'm not filming? I know. So yeah, all of our windows are in that big building there and the shutter's shut and we've just been left here. So fingers crossed tomorrow we can get all of the windows and the doors in, because that will push us really, really far forward on this project. We're 1 pallet down, which means one thing. Progress update. We are ready to put all of our cutouts on the top of here. We've got cutouts to go across the front here. I've absolutely no idea what Ben's doing. I don't think he does either. Thumbs up. But yeah, it's when the building becomes a bit more of a building. My next favourite part is when the roof boards go on, because then it becomes an enclosed building and we can have a warm room. Right, we're tied in. The building is together. So that is the end of day 2. If you want to see the rest of this build, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn your notifications on, set your preferences to all. That way you'll know when we're carrying on with this. I'll see you in the next video.